We're gonna put this moss in our aviary for nesting material for the birds.
Is this a plant or is it a moss?
It's a plant
It's a Spanish moss, but it's actually a plant. How does it get nutrition?
from the wind.
From the wind, the air, and the dirt that's blowing to it. So it's kind of hanging on the tree like that, right? So we're gonna put it in the aviary, okay? Yes. So we hung up the moss in the back for the nesting material and provide shades, and the bird can use that sometimes to make a nest. We also water it like a plant. You know, if you don't water, it's gonna dry up, so you have to water it. Okay, when you water, it's too heavy, so it fell down because it's too heavy.